In this tutorial I will show you how to use Tor with the Brave browser. By using Tor you can increase your anonymity online and access the dark web by connecting to the internet through Tor proxy servers. Let's get started, and please remember to like and subscribe or else I will haunt your dreams. Using Tor with the Brave browser is really simple because it's built into the browser itself. Just click the three horizontal lines on the top right and select New Private Window with Tor. Alternatively, you can also press Alt-Shift-N to open the Tor window. That's it. As you can see, my IP address has changed and it works. I will now visit a .onion link to confirm that I can access the dark web. And it works as well. There's one more way you can open the Tor browser, let me show you. Select any link and right-click it. Then click on Open Link in Private Window with Tor. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helps you out. If you want to support the channel, please remember to like, comment, subscribe and share this video.